I'm Snehal. So today I am here with a science experiment. So what do you need is like a plate so that if any wax falls down, so it can be collected onto a plate, a candle of course, and your matchbox. So first, this is a experiment related to the chapter combustion and flame. So from class 8 now and elaborate. So just light it. Now let this like burn for some time. Now, and I suggest you to not do this alone. So now I'm gonna deflame this. Now you see the wax vapor. I'm just gonna put this without touching the wick. See, without touching the wick, it has flame again. So basically what this experiment is, this experiment is basically relighting the candle from wax vapor. So this is, as I said before, this is a experiment from the chapter combustion and flame from class 8th, CBSE's syllabus. So if you like this video, please make sure you like, subscribe, comment and share. Bye.